Hey guys, Steven here. If you've ever had a vent fan in your bathroom break, you know it really stinks. Ours died recently, and today I'm going to show you how to repair or replace your vent fan pretty easily. So the first thing we need to do is remove this plastic vent cover, and you just start to slowly pull out until you hear a little clip. Carefully pinch the metal piece and just pull out. So when you squeeze this together, then the metal pieces springs out, and then you can pull this cover off. Now that we have the cover off, we can see it's a pretty simple setup. It's just got a vent and then a motor and a plug. So we want to make sure that power is actually getting to the plug when we turn the switch on at the wall. If it is, and nothing's turning, then we can test the motor and see if the motor's bad or not. And when I turn the switch on at the wall, like that, nothing's happening. So first things first, let's unplug with the switch off. That goes into this small outlet to have the motor unplug. And then we're going to put test leads on the outlet and flip the switch on, have somebody help flip the switch on and see if we're getting power there. All right, so I have my voltmeter in volts AC mode, and then I'm going to put the leads inside the vent fan plug. Go ahead and turn that on. Okay, there we go. We have 120 volts there. Good, so we've got power there. This means that the fan is likely the problem, but if I just want to see what the resistance is of the fan, and in resistance mode, I've got an open circuit. That shouldn't be. So our fan is bad. Now you may not have a vent fan exactly like the one I have, but the procedure and the methodology of troubleshooting is going to be very similar. You can replace this entire box or just this segment that comes out easy. And to do that, there is one tab on this side and two tabs on the other side. We want to go to the side that has one tab and just get a screwdriver and pry up a little bit till that tab comes out. And then it should slide down, and we can use some of these other slots as leverage to help pull that whole fan assembly out, just like that. Most of these will come as an entire assembly with the new box, but there's nothing that really goes bad in these assemblies, so you can just give it a good inspection, make sure it looks good, and if it looks good, then let's do the easy part of just replacing this assembly. Okay, so I ordered a brand new vent fan. These are not very expensive online. I'll have a link in the description below. You can get them off Amazon, you can get them off Home Depot. So this is the assembly, the new cover, and you'll see that there are some sharp edges on these, so be careful when you take them out of the box. We are going to extract just the portion that we want to replace, this portion, so we don't have to mess with the rest. That's going to be the easier thing to do. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing I did up on the ceiling with removing this frame. I've got two tabs on this side, and you'll see they lock into place a little bit more than the tab on the opposite side. So I will push down, and then that tab is now out, and I can use some of these other slots to just pry that whole vent assembly out. Now I have my vent assembly. I'm just going to insert this right up into the frame that's on the ceiling. Now, if you're wondering what a good motor winding resistance should be, I'll show you. It is about 18 ohms. So bad motors, high resistance. The good motor is about 18 ohms. All right, the new cover goes on just like it came off. These springs get compressed and they'll lock into place in the slots that are provided. And then you can just push it straight up until it's flush. Looks like we are done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, because if your bathroom vent has not failed yet, it probably will. And we do a lot of other projects like this around the house, how to fix things, how to fix it for cheap. So please subscribe, like, and share this with your friends, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.